Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete transactions in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're cleaning up duplicate entries or removing incorrect transactions, knowing how to properly delete bank transactions will help keep your books accurate and organized. First, head over to the left menu in QuickBooks and click on Transactions. This is where all your banking activity lives and where you'll manage everything related to your connected accounts. Once you're in this section, you'll need to select the Bank Transactions Account tab. Make sure you're choosing the specific account that contains the transaction you want to delete, whether that's your checking account, savings, or credit card. Now, here's something important to understand. If you have transactions that are already categorized, you can't delete them right away. You'll need to undo these transactions first, which moves them back to the For Review section. This is a safety feature that prevents you from accidentally removing transactions that have already been matched or categorized in your books. Next, click on the For Review tab to see your list of uncategorized transactions. This is where you'll find either the transactions you just moved or ones that haven't been categorized yet. To locate the specific transaction you want to delete, you can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top. The search function is particularly handy if you're dealing with a large volume of transactions. Once you've found the transaction, check the box next to it. As soon as you do this, a pop-up bar will appear at the top of the table with several options. From this bar, select Exclude. This doesn't permanently delete the transaction yet, but it moves it out of your active transaction list and into the Excluded tab. To permanently delete the transaction, click on the Excluded tab where you'll see all your excluded transactions. Find the transaction again and check the box next to it one more time. When the pop-up menu appears, select Delete. This will permanently remove the transaction from QuickBooks Online, and that's it. The transaction is now completely deleted from your account. This two-step process of excluding first and then deleting helps ensure you don't accidentally remove important financial data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.